am Nathaniel, and today we will now do question C of MAT 2022. The equation, this is the equation of a circle. How do we find it's a circle? Well, a circle should be in the form x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to r. So this should be r squared, but who cares? It's radius agnostic. So we just add 4k squared plus 4 to both sides. Why this strange combination of factors? Because as you see, x squared minus 4kx plus 4k squared plus y squared minus 4y plus 4 also of x squared plus 8 equals to k cubed minus k. Oh, and don't forget to add 4k squared plus 4. And then we get x minus 2k squared plus y minus 2 squared equals to k cubed plus 4k squared minus k minus 4. And then on the right side, we can factorize it to get k plus 4, k squared minus 1. And then this k squared minus 1 can be factored even further to k plus 1, k minus 1 by the difference of squares identity. How I obtain this factorization is basically by inspection. So basically, it's by inspection you can see the factors quite easily, and the factors are usually interlocking. Great. So in fact, we solve the cubic on the right hand side. So the only one which has -4, -1 and 1 is part B. Therefore, B is the answer. The reason why A, C, D and E are not plausible because if you're out of the MAT, you can do this, but you can just plug the equation into Desmos and then you do the animation. You'll see a circle growing and disappearing and then growing even more again. Well, see you in another MAT video. Bye!